creativity allows us to dream. The coat of radical kindness reflects creativity and connections made over lockdown. Over lockdown, I've been inspired by the rainbows that have appeared in my street and part of the Art Club Community Gallery to symbolise hope. The kindness and community spirit in Newport is what's inspired me to create a warm couch to bring joy and energy to others. Over this time, lots of people, including myself, have reverted back to crafts for comfort and warmth to escape from the worries of the world.
It's been really fun because obviously I've been isolated in lockdown. Being able to be involved in a project like this, I've learned new skills, played with mediums I've never touched before.
It was a lovely way of just reaching out and feeling connected.
What a beautiful and cozy coat. Very soft, kind.
This year we've barely seen anyone, and the project gave us a bit of an impetus to do it and to reach a hand out.
Being involved in lost connections meant a lot for me because I got to think about feelings, use my creativity again. I've been feeling isolated, so having that little thing on the side to do has made me feel happy.
It just was like a big stone in a pond and seeing all the ripples, those ripples that people we love.
Brought everyone together, and I think it helps everyone who were feeling really upset and not happy. Yeah, it was really nice.
The jacket is short in length, but it has long, full sleeves. All of it is saturated with over 300 pom-poms, each one being unique, from stripes to rings to multicoloured delights. They are quite psychedelic with all the colours of the rainbow. The colours remind me of happiness, and it is a literal visual feast for the retinas.
I think it's a beautiful, majestic bundle of joy, and I just want to give my loved ones a big hug, and it makes me feel reassured and happy with all the colours it brings.
I have been called Bohemian Mary Poppins with my suitcases of creativity, doorstep art visits and art club. My home has become the portal for creativity and dreams. I've created a world and space inside inspired by the outside. Creativity is about instinct, passion and happiness. I have found there have been so many stories of small acts of kindness in my hometown. This has really inspired me and kept me going. I feel now more than ever, kindness matters.
Blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too.
Coat of radical kindness. #OurCreativePlace.